So another quick video to give you an update on the new seismic viewer that we're currently developing at Claritas. So I've got the viewer up on the screen here, and it's got a couple of stack sections displayed. You can see that. So I've got a brute stack and after SRME on this line. So I'll just recap some of the stuff we could have shown you previously. So obviously there's the split button allows us to basically run a slider bar and slide one data set over the other, which makes for a nice QC capability. Difference creates a difference display between the two sections, nice and simply, and gives us a third panel to toggle between. Got the same functionality in terms of selecting color maps. So again, I can right mouse button click on the color map that's there and select a different one. So that we move to black, white, red rather than grayscale. And then if I right mouse button click, I can change or update the plotting parameters for the data set. If I want to make a change, I can change it or dismiss. I can also just change the display parameters for a particular panel rather than everything. And then what's new recently is the zoom window capability. So if I click there, I can pull up a zoom window. And like our current viewer, I can click on all panels and be able to toggle between the three panels in the zoom window. And I can also sync the panels so that when I toggle between panels in the zoom window, it also toggles on the main display. Also, we've started to backfill some of the analysis functionality. So for instance, I can create a instantaneous amplitude window. What is new compared to the old viewer on this is if I just left mouse button click on the existing zoom window there, it will bring up the same window for the analysis that I'm running. And again, I can click on all panels to get all panels displayed like that. So as you can see at the moment, we've got the autocorrelation zoom, instantaneous amplitude, frequency, phase, and cosine of the instantaneous phase as well implemented at present. And we're starting to work our way through the other analysis functionality that we had. And again, just to reconfirm in terms of processing capability, we've added functionality to be able to apply Butterworth filters. So in this case, we've got a zero phase bandpass filter specified. I can also add in another module and it gives us a list of modules we can choose from. So in this case, I can add balance and it will be a whole trace balance on this. Click OK. And you can see it sort of allows us to toggle through. It's got the balance applied now and it can still toggle through everything. So as you can see, we're beginning to build in all the functionality that exists in our current viewer into this new Python based one. So hopefully we'll get a new beta out shortly, and you can start playing around with some of this functionality and some of the updates since the last beta. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.